You how to make luminarias. Coming from New Mexico and now in Boise, I've noticed that there aren't very many here, and I wanted to kind of bring that back here so that I can enjoy them at home. So I did a little research to find out what the heck is a luminaria, and based off of Google, I will post a picture. Not sure about the bonfire, but so I'll make 2 of them here for you so you can see them. I made this for under $25. I made 40 of them, and I'll create more detailed pictures for you to be able to see at the end what it is I actually did, and I'll go ahead and put that in the things below. So first you'll grab your paper bag, open it, get some cat litter, put it in. Now you might want to do this outside because it does create a lot of smoke. So you just want to give it enough so that if you're in a windier area, you're going to want to put more. But about this much or so. And then you can leave it open, or you can fold the top. Pretty simple. Once you've done a couple of them, you'll get faster at it and better. And once you get it all together, that, kind of seal it off, and then you put your candle inside, and you've got your luminaria. So I had one going here the whole time, and here we have the one that we just made, and it's that easy. Hope you enjoyed this. And out of all of the candles that I bought, only one was a dud. So yeah, that's not so bad. You can replace the battery so you can use them year after year. You could also play around with how bright you want them by putting 1, or you could put 2 to make it a little brighter. It's up to you, so have fun.